If you like this video, please remember to like and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I never have a monitor display since I stay in this house, and I'm looking for it as I need to work from home and also video editing. After searching through several websites like Dell, HP, and also Samsung, and at the end I decided to go with Dell, which is Dell 24-inch monitor. It comes with a speaker and also a non-speaker. So the speaker version is without the adjustable height stand, and whereas the non-speaker type will have the adjustable stand. This monitor display costs me 859 ringgit as I ordered it through Dell website. So it took me around 3 to 4 working days to receive it. So in this video, I will show you on how I unbox it, assemble it and connect it to the laptop, and also I will go through all the features about it, and I will share with you on my experience of using it. So stay tuned.
So this is the packaging of the display monitor. I love the design of the packaging as it looks elegant. So this is the front part. And then this is the back part of it. There is some descriptions and some features of the display monitor. So this is the side of the box. As you can see, there are some descriptions of the specifications of the monitor. Let's unbox the packaging of the display. And this is the quick guide, and then this is the stand base. This is the HDMI cable, and we have the power cable and the safety information. Next will be the stand riser. Lastly will be the display. So this is what we have. Okay, let's take the quick guide. Okay, step number 1. Screw the stand riser to the stand base. There's a screw for you to unlock it and then lock it to the stand riser. Make sure it is locked firmly and stable. So the next step is to slot in the stand riser to the display. So firstly, you can put the display onto the compartment of the box, and then you just slot in the stand riser to the display as shown. So ta-da! The assembly of the monitor display is completed. You can move the display left and right to confirm it is stable. So the power button and the configuration up, down, left, right button is at the bottom of the display monitor, whereas the heat of the display monitor will be dissipated through the top part of the display. The monitor comes with a very sleek design, and the subtle textual pattern at the back make it looks modern, elegant, and it has its own unique look. One thing I think is good is it includes the cable, which is the power cord cable in a frequency of 60 Hz and 250 volt. The included HDMI cable is 1 meter long, and I think it's good because it is included in the packaging, so I don't need to spend some time to search for it. So as you can see, it is a male-to-male type connector. So step number 3 is to connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI port at the back of the display monitor. And then next will be the power cord, and just connect it to the power source connector at the back of the monitor. The last step is to turn it on. Connect the power cord to the power outlet and then turn it on with the switch. So configure the language and ready to connect to the PC. I have tried to connect it to my laptop. And ta-da! One of the reasons I choose this display is because it has a matte screen finish that prevents from glaring. So it helps to keep the screen clear and visible from the sunlight or any lighting changes. So this allows me to view the screen from any angle that I want. Furthermore, it has a 3H surface hardness filter that protects the screen from scratches, fingerprints, and drop. So one of the key features that I like the most about this monitor display is it can be rotated, tilted, and the height can be adjusted. So it is very convenient for me when I'm working and also video editing. So you guys can try it and let me know how you feel in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like our video, please like and share to your friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.